Hi everyone! Welcome back to Crochet Bliss. Today, let's kick off this summer with this super cute mini beach bag. It's the perfect size for your phone, some makeup, and makes a super cute accessory. Using raffia yarn for summer bags, a bit stiff to crochet, but gives a perfect shape. Round 1. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into it. Tighten the magic ring and slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1 to start the next round. Repeat this for each round. Round 2, crochet 2 single crochets into each stitch, increase stitch. Single crochet, then 1 increase. Repeat to the end of the round. Round 4, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, then 1 single crochet. Repeat to the end of the round. Continue the next rounds using the same pattern shown on screen. You can adjust the width of your bag by adding more rounds. Here I'm just making a small bag that fits a phone, so I'll stop at round 8. R10. Alternate 1 regular single crochet and 1 single crochet into the bottom side of the next stitch. Repeat around. Round 11. Repeat the same pattern as round 10, but switch the order of the stitches. If the first stitch in the previous round was a regular single crochet, start this round with a bottom side single crochet. Repeat this 2 to 3 more pairs of rounds like rounds 10 and 11. Round 14 flower round, chain 2, then make 2 unfinished double crochets DC. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook, then chain 3. unfinished double crochets behind the slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Skip one stitch, then make 3 unfinished double crochets into the next 3 stitches. Repeat this pattern to the end of the round. After the last stitch, slip stitch into the first stitch, which is the flowers to enter the gap. Chain 2, then make 2 double crochets into the same space at the base of the chain. Chain 1, then in the next space, make 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Chain 1 again. Repeat this pattern to the end of the round. Work 1 round of single crochets around the previous round. Make 1 single crochet into each chain space as well. The next round will follow the same pattern as around 10 to 11 pair. Add rounds to make the bag taller if you like. Bag is all done. Here, I added 2 flower rounds with 4 single crochet rounds in between. The top edge is finished with a round of single crochet. stitch markers to mark for points for attaching the bag handles. The base of the bag will be 6 stitches away from the outer edge. Crochet using the same pattern as round 10, continuing up to the base of the handle. Make 1 single crochet into the marked stitch, then chain 20 to 25 depending on your preferred handle length. Make 1 single crochet into the next marked stitch and repeat the same for the other handle. Slip stitch around the last round to finish off. Slip stitch onto the handle, working into the back side of the stitches. Yarn over the first stitch and weave in the loose ends. We've finished our super cute beach bag. This pattern is perfect for a small bag to hold your phone and